Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing clean data so Excel reads it correctly. First, make sure labels are in the top row and numeric values are in consistent columns. This matters because Excel uses headers for legends and axes. Once done, select the precise contiguous range including headers. Do not include totals or blank rows because they skew auto chart. If numbers are text, convert them now using paste special or text to columns so the chart plots accurately. Now insert the chart and shape how it presents your story. Click Insert and choose a recommended chart or a specific type like column or line depending on comparison versus trend needs. Excel previews helpful options. Next, use Select Data to add or edit series and to swap rows and columns when categories and series are reversed. Finally, format titles, axis scales, and data labels to make the message clear. Making the axis start point sensible prevents misleading visuals. Finish by refining and exporting your polished chart so others see the exact insight. Tweak visual details like colors, grid lines, marker styles, and add a trend line or secondary axis when two scales are present. These choices improve readability. Once satisfied, copy as an image or embed the worksheet in your presentation. If the chart looks wrong, check for blank cells, hidden rows, or mixed data types. Fixing those immediately resolves most plotting errors and keeps your chart accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.